Welcome to JG Basic English. Anna's birthday is tomorrow. I want to make her a surprise dinner. Let's start with the food. I'll make her favorite pasta for dinner. She loves pasta, and I'll get a nice cake. Maybe chocolate or vanilla? Let's go with chocolate. Okay, I'll need some fresh ingredients. I'm going to the local supermarket now to get everything ready for tonight. Let's go. Tomatoes, garlic, pasta, check. Oh, I almost forgot the cake. Let me see if I can find a good one. This looks perfect. Anna loves chocolate, and the strawberries on top look so pretty. I'm sure she'll love it. Okay, I think that's everything. Time to go home and start cooking. All right, let's get this pasta ready. Boil the water first, then the pasta, and make the sauce with fresh tomatoes. It's Anna's favorite, so I want it to be perfect. It's coming together. Just need to finish the pasta and then set the table. All set. Now it's just a matter of waiting for Anna to arrive. Everything's ready.
Oh my God, Tim, what is this?
Surprise, Anna! Happy birthday! I wanted to make a special dinner for you. I hope you like it.
Tim, this is amazing. You didn't have to do this. I can't believe it. Everything looks so beautiful.
I wanted to do something special for you. I made your favorite dinner, pasta with fresh tomato sauce.
Thank you so much, Tim.
You deserve it, Anna. Let's sit down and enjoy the meal.
This pasta is delicious, Tim. You really know how to cook.
I'm glad you like it. I wanted everything to be perfect for you.
It really is. I can't believe you did all of this for me. I didn't expect anything. I thought I would just relax tonight.
Well, you deserve more than just a relaxing evening. I'm happy to make this day special for you. So, are you ready for dessert?
Wait, there's more? I thought this was it. What's the next surprise?
A birthday party can't be complete without a cake. I got you a chocolate cake. You love chocolate, right?
I love chocolate cake. This cake looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. This cake is so tasty. It's soft and moist. I really like it.
Well, Anna, now there's the final surprise.
I can't believe it. There's more?
Yes, of course. I got you a little gift. Here's your little gift.
Wow, shoes. I love them. They're so beautiful, Tim.
I'm glad you like them. I thought they would look perfect on you.
I can't believe it. This is the best birthday ever.
Thanks for watching.